the puck turns over, when the defense turn the puck over, their forwards are gone. They're just like racehorses.
Third power play now in effect for the Blackhawks, and stepping in now is Hossa. Hossa across, Kane swirls it back, rebound, gets it behind scrimmage, and it's in. Well, that wasn't pretty, but it's in the back of the net, and it's 2-1 Chicago.
One of the ugliest three-way pass plays I've ever seen. Here's the puck, it's behind. There's one bad pass. Then Kane gets it, he throws it across. Two bad passes. Then it comes into the zone, turnover. Third bad pass onto the wrong stick. Then it goes off his foot, then Hossa scores. Four bad passes, not in the best location. That should have been right on his forehand and into the back of the net. It ricochets off the skate of Tays, not even to his stick, I don't believe. And then right to Marian Hossa, who drew the penalty, the high stick from Thomas Buchanan's. And the Chicago Blackhawks have regained the lead 2-1.